Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Myfirstwig, and first I want to just show you some of the goodies that you will receive in your packet. They also have for sale a baby hair brush, a hair tie, as well as this new product which looks like an edge control. So today's video is this ombre brown unit, and as you can see, it comes with 4.5 inches of lace, the 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back, with an adjustable elastic band for the option to wear it glueless. And I'm just going to put the lace on my arm just so you could see how nice this lace is. So as you know, Myfirstwig units come already pre-plucked and bleached. So I decided I'm going to just pluck this unit a little bit to my liking, and this is what it looked like once I was finished. Now I'm ready to try this wig on, and I just want to give you guys a close-up look of what the parting space looked like, as well as let you get a closer look of this lace. This unit is made with their invisible Swiss lace, which matches all skin colors. As you can see, it matched with my complexion, and I'm showing my finger turned upside down so that you could see it would match with a lighter complexion as well. Next, I'm going to proceed and cut the lace off for this unit to prepare it for install. And as always, you want to cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible without cutting the hair. Okay dolls, so now I'm ready to install this unit now that I cut the lace off. I was going to use some spray to do this install, but I do want to wear it for a couple of days without having to bother with the install. I decided I wanted to try this new glue from Kiss. So Kiss reached out and asked to send me some of the glue. Of course, I said yes, because I'm always down to try new glues. You guys know we always on a hunt looking for some glue, right? With this one, you're going to get about a few days hold with it. So this is the dual tip Almighty Bond applicator glue, and I'm going to show you why it's called that. So it comes in this little box, comes with 2, and then this is the glue. And they call it a dual tip because you don't need any other tools when using the glue. You have the silicone tip, and the way it works is it's just that, it's a silicone tip. So it looks like this, and all you have to do is squeeze, the glue comes out. The silicone tips makes it nice for it to just smooth and lay the glue down. Y'all gonna see when I do it in a second how easy it is to apply. And then you have this precision tip, and this is basically when you want to catch those little pieces. You know how sometimes you kind of miss little pieces when you're using the glue. This makes it easy because it's such a pointy tip where you could just apply it and just get those little pieces and make everything smooth and easy. And since this is a bob and my hair is covered on this side, y'all know I'm lazy. I'm not about to glue this part down. It's really unnecessary. I'm gonna take note to where the lace is, of course. So it's right here. So it's literally like right at my hairline. So I'm gonna push this back a little bit. And then I'm gonna decide where I wanna put the glue, which is gonna be right here. And then I'm gonna just squeeze some and apply it. See how easy it is to trace? This is almost as easy as using your hand, but not as messy. So I'm gonna just let that sit for a second until it dries, because I am gonna put 2 layers. I find that it holds a little better if you use 2 layers. Okay, so now that it's turned clear, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a second coat. And I'm gonna extend the glue a little bit just to cover a little bit more on my forehead. Just a tip of advice, when applying the second and third layer, be sure to squeeze out a little of the glue first before sliding it on top of the old layer. This will ensure that it doesn't cause it prematurely to start to lift. And then I'm just waiting for that to dry. Just turned clear, so I'm gonna do a second coat over here while I wait. I really like this silicone tip. I wasn't sure if I would, but this is really convenient. And it also makes the application quick. Okay, so now I'm ready to lay it down. I actually left this tip on the lace intentional so that it makes it easier for me to grip and apply the lace on top. But I can really just take it and push the lace forward. Okay, so you see this little piece right here? I'm gonna go ahead and add some more glue down here. I missed this spot. And while that dries, I'm gonna go ahead with this little piece. And you know how you usually have these little flaps on the top? I'll let that dry. Just lay that down on top to cover those little pieces. Second coat, and just take that, put it over the glue, and press it in. Okay, so now that that's glued down, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the remainder of this lace. So now I'm gonna just lay this down for about 5 minutes, and that's just gonna help melt the lace. Next, I decided to add some slight baby hairs to the side of the unit where the edges would show, because I do plan on wearing this bob behind my ear. I'm gonna take some of the edge control and use that for the bottom, just to lay that down. Next, you guys know I like to use my wax stick just to kind of put the final touches on the unit. So I kind of like this little flip that it has going on. I don't even know if this was intentional. I think it kind of just got like that from packaging. But I'm gonna curl it up just a little bit before I curl it down, just so you guys could get an idea of what this would look like. But she's cute. She's cute like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna straighten it the normal way. Yes, okay. So this is the final look. This color is beautiful. Oh my God. I like it. What y'all think? Y'all like it? I like it. I wasn't sure. Anytime I do a color other than black, I'd be a little skeptical, but I think this color is my color. Beautiful. I love it. Okay, let's get into the details of this unit. Okay, you guys know this unit is from Myfirstwig. As I mentioned, this is the invisible Swiss lace. That's one of the things I really love about Myfirstwig, is their lace is always quality. You know, to have a good install, a good lace front, you have to have a good lace. And the reason they're called Myfirstwig is because their wigs come complete, ready to install. As I mentioned before I applied the glue, you can wear this glueless. It comes pre-plucked, bleached, Malaysian virgin hair, good quality hair. It's always a win-win in my book. So this is their 13 by 4.5 inch lace. It's actually the first time I heard of a 13 by 4.5. It's usually 13 by 4. They added a 1/2 inch. I guess every inch count. That's what she said. But every inch does count in some aspect, especially when you're dealing with a lace front. This is a side part. Oh, just remembered some of my powder on this part, since I'm not wearing a cap underneath. I couldn't find the normal powder that I used, so the powder I ended up using did add a slightly reddish tint to the lace. As you guys know, when you do a side part, your part in space is gonna be a little bit shorter than if you do the middle part. Let me go ahead and turn around real quickly so you guys can see what the back of this unit looks like. But this is their ombre colored bob, and it's in 14 inches. So you guys know Black Friday is coming up. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have a sale. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a coupon code, but if I do, I'll be sure to have that listed across the screen as well in the description box down below. But before we get out of here, I'm gonna need y'all help naming this wig. What are we gonna call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed earlier this week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.